What location do you want to buy your flip in? You want to buy in a neighborhood that has the highest price per square footage. Buy the ugliest house in the nicest neighborhood. You want to make sure that you have lots of room to increase the value of the home. When you're finished with the renovations, you don't want to have to sell it as the most expensive house on the street or the neighborhood. Neighborhoods that are family friendly can be best because they appeal to people upgrading, and that is our largest percentage of buyers out there. Neighborhoods that have good schools are magnets for these buyers. Mature neighborhoods also can be great. It's hard to find a really renovated home in a mature neighborhood. Lots of buyers want the best of both worlds. They want the large lot with the trees in a mature neighborhood, but they want the interiors of the new builds. A flip in one of these areas gives the buyer the best of both worlds. In Guelph and other cities outside the GTA, neighborhoods that have access to major highways such as the 401 can entice those Toronto buyers looking for more affordable housing. Picking the right neighborhood is key, and if you need help finding that right neighborhood, give our team a call.